No longer are riders tethered to a garage outlet or forced to lug an entire bicycle into their living room for a charge. The ability to simply click out a power pack and juice it up at a desk or kitchen counter has unlocked a new level of convenience for commuters and adventurers alike. Here, we have best e-bikes with removable battery.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Euybike F6-F E-Bike. Stepping onto the Euybike feels like stepping into a new era of long-range exploration. This machine is built for the rider who refuses to let a sunset dictate the end of their journey. At its heart lies a massive 48-volt, 20-ampere-hour lithium-ion battery that promises a staggering 60 miles of range, making it a true heavyweight in the endurance category. The beauty of the F6-F is how it balances this raw capacity with a foldable design that defies its rugged appearance. It sports 20-inch fat tires that grip the earth with confidence, whether you are navigating sandy paths or urban potholes. The 750-watt geared hub motor provides that necessary punch to flatten hills, while the removable nature of the battery means you can keep the bike tucked away in a trunk or hallway, while the power source replenishes silently in a corner of your room. On number 2, we have TST R004 E-Bike. If the Euybike is the explorer, the TST is the powerhouse athlete of the group. It commands attention with a motor that peaks at an impressive 1,500 watts, offering a surge of acceleration that makes merging with city traffic or conquering steep mountain inclines feel almost supernatural. What sets this e-bike apart is its commitment to a smooth, cushioned experience. The full suspension system works in harmony with its 4-inch wide fat tires to swallow up vibrations and shocks from the road. The 48-volt 15-ampere-hour battery is neatly integrated into the frame, yet remains effortless to remove, allowing for quick transitions between rides. With a top speed reaching up to 28 miles per hour, this bike is designed for those who value time and performance, ensuring that every trip is as thrilling as it is efficient. On number 3, we have Funhang EBM1 E-Bike. The Funhang EBM1 rounds out the selection by offering a refined, mountain bike-inspired silhouette that excels in versatility. It is a machine that feels just as comfortable on a gravel trail as it does on a paved bike lane. Its 500-watt motor, which can surge to a 1,000-watt peak, provides a natural-feeling assist that complements the 21-speed Shimano drivetrain perfectly. This allows riders to fine-tune their effort level with surgical precision. The removable 48-volt battery is designed for the practical user, offering a respectable 50-mile range and a quick charging cycle of about 5 hours. Because the battery is waterproof and easily detached, the EBM1 becomes an ideal candidate for the daily commuter who might encounter a sudden rain shower or needs to charge up at the office before the ride back home. It represents the perfect balance of rugged capability and everyday utility. So these are some of the best e-bikes to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.